Hey guys, we're doing a video of the Morimoto headlights that you order from the retrofit source. I thought I'd bring you another video at nighttime so you can see how good they look. They really hold the road very well. The best headlights I've ever purchased. I wouldn't recommend them to y'all if I didn't think they were the best headlights I've ever purchased, or at least I would tell you. Head and shoulders above any other headlights I've ever purchased. We sell those as well. We have them in stock and can ship to you the next day. You can get them at, like I said, the Retrofit Source website, or you can contact me at you can contact me at Instagram. You can contact me on YouTube. You can contact me on Bradley33513, and you can even call me at 352-254-1791. They're switchbacks. They come with LED bulbs. They come with everything you need to hook them up to your vehicle. Guys, I'm gonna walk around the truck real fast. We have wheel lights on there, we have underglow lights, and we have rock lights. I'm sorry, they're not rock lights, they're underglow in the fender. Underglow in the fender. My other truck that has rock lights. I apologize. I almost forgot what we put on this truck. We do so many builds. And like I said, this changes colors to any color you want. If you want blue, green, yellow, whatever color, all these lights change. Guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. And do a little takeoff video. All right, guys, have a great night. Perfect.